Here's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. Features include Bluetooth streaming audio, smart entry key, dual zone climate control, smart vent seat mounted airbag, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, front heated bucket seats, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and power heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride. Yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Thayer Honda is happy to pass the savings and quality on to our customers. Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 1019 North Main Street in Bowling Green, Ohio.